After 2 years of declines, our global insolvency index is set to rise by 15% in 2022. That's because governments are slowly starting to scale back policy support to companies. Since 2020, governments have offered a wide range of support measures, including tax defaults and state-guaranteed loans, as well as emergency adjustments to bankruptcy rules. These provided extra time and extra flexibility to companies before they resorted to filing for bankruptcy. That explains why the COVID-19 crisis did not translate into a wave of insolvencies in 2020, despite the slump in global GDP and the slump in global trade. In fact, we find that state support prevented 1 out of 2 insolvencies in Western Europe and 1 out of 3 in the US. Many countries renewed or extended these support measures in 2021 following new waves of infections and restrictions. And this meant that the levels of business insolvencies continued to remain low. But the tide has already started to turn, especially in Africa. Faced with a succession of lockdowns and less generous policy support, countries in Africa could see business insolvencies exceed pre-COVID-19 levels by 2021 itself, while Central and Eastern Europe and Latin America will follow in 2022. Some European countries are already seeing a resurgence this year, especially those with more companies in the sectors most exposed to the COVID-19 restrictions, such as Spain and Italy. In contrast, insolvencies in Germany, in France, Belgium, and the Netherlands will take longer to normalize because of extended support measures. And the US could take even longer thanks to its massive support package and the fastest economic rebound in over 3 decades. At the global level, nevertheless, insolvencies will still be 4% below 2019 levels in 2022. But it's important to keep in mind that the outlook depends on the pace of the global economic rebound. New variants and increased uncertainty could threaten growth momentum, forcing governments to extend support measures further. If this happens, the normalization of business insolvencies could be postponed even beyond 2022.